Mount Everest, the giants of mountain, the king of mountain, and the ultimate test of climbers. For years, it has been the world's tallest mountain. But has it? What if I told you that Everest is not really the world's tallest mountain? Shocking, right? Well, stay in the video, we will reveal the actual tallest mountain in the world and why Everest has retained its false crown for the long. We have divided this video into 5 sections so that you can understand it easily. Section 1. How we measure mountains. To learn why Everest is not the highest, we must explore the science of how mountains are measured. You see, it's not that easy to measure height as you might think. There are 3 primary ways to measure mountains' height. Height above sea level. The most widely used measurement from sea level to the top. By these measurements, Everest is 8,848.86 meters tall. Base to peak height. Measuring from the bottommost part of the mountains to its top. This way can totally reshuffle the ranking. Distance from the core of the earth. As the earth is not a perfect sphere, but an oblate spheroid, mountains at the equator equally stand taller because of the planet bulge. With these various measurement methods, we can question Everest's position as the tallest mountain. Now, let's meet its actual competitors. Section 2. Challenger 1. Mauna Kea. Meet Mauna Kea, a volcano in Hawaii. Thought its summit is merely 4,207 meters above the sea level. It's only the beginning. Mauna Kea's baseline deep under the Pacific Ocean, extending about 6,000 meters below the water. When measured from its true base on the ocean's floor, Mauna Kea's total height reaches up to 10,211 meters, nearly 2,000 meters taller than Everest. So, if we are talking about tallest mountain, from base to summit, Mauna Kea takes the crown. Section 3. Challenger 2. Chimborazo. Now, let's discuss Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador. It's not nearly as high as Everest, about sea level at only 6,263 meters. But measured from the Earth's core, Chimborazo is the winner. Because the Earth is bulging out at the equator, Chimborazo's position works to its favor. It's further from the center of the Earth than Everest by more than 2 kilometers. It's only meant that, technically, if you were to stand on top of it, you will be the closest person to space on land. That's pretty awesome, right? Section 4. Why Everest still holds the title. If Everest is not the tallest mountain, according to some definitions, then why it's still ranking number 1? Historical recognition. Everest was recognized as the world's tallest peak based on measurements from sea level, which became the most used method of ranking mountains. Climbing prestige. Everest is a hard test that has attracted explorers for centuries. Reaching the summit is an inspiring act of endurance, skills, and resolve. Global awareness. Everest is a part of mainstream culture, from documentaries to film action. It continues to be an emblem of human ambitions and resilience. Section 5. Conclusion. Which mountain wins? If Mount Everest is the world's tallest mountain, then the answer is it depends on how you measure it. If we measure by height above sea level, Everest takes the top spot. But if we measure from base to summit, Mauna Kea is the real tallest. And if we measure distance from the center of the earth, Chimborazo is the champion. No matter how we measure it, each of these mountains is a truly marvel of nature with its own special tale. Whether it's taste of Everest, the giant of Mauna Kea, or equilateral champion Chimborazo, they are all witness to the glory of nature. Which do you consider to be the world's tallest mountain? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more incredible videos. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.